this, a little bit high maintenance. Everybody else basic, you live life on an everyday basis with poetic justice, poetic justice. If I told you that a flower bloomed in a dark room, would you trust it?
On my mirror, start to blush when somebody says your name. In my stomach there's a pain. You walk in my direction, I go the other.
We listen, but we don't judge.
Trying to stand but my knees go weak. What's happening to me? In the dark, can you tell me what it means? I lay my head on my pillow, staring out the window. In the star for a sign.
This is the final reveal of my desk. So I've moved all my makeup stuff to the left. I've got the monitor at the back. I've got mouse and I've got my colouring pencils in the back, my anti-bac wipes, and a few other stationery pieces. That's what it's looking like. Washing brushes is just one of those things that you put it off until you really desperately need a certain brush, and then you don't force to wash it, but then you can't use it immediately after you wash it because now it's wet. I mean, I've got some more brushes inside of that case, so it's not urgent, but for now, we're gonna leave those. Just pretend you don't see it.
Now let's talk about them sheets. So I really enjoy white bedding. I've been like that for years, but it is high maintenance, I will admit. So on this day, I stripped the bed all the way down to the bone. Not even the mattress protector was left. I took everything off, and it's just a reminder you have to be super strong to pull all of this off of the bed because it's tucked so far underneath the mattress. It's crazy. I love using my baking soda. Sometimes I add essential oils, sometimes I don't, and I just sprinkle it across the mattress just to deodorize, freshen up, you know, and then you just vacuum it off afterwards and it comes out perfectly.
I'm going to let this baking soda sit on the mattress for approximately half an hour while I go and put all of this stuff in the washing machine. I'm also going to wipe down the headboard, just refresh it and everything. I'm going to do this on a cotton cycle on a 90-degree. Yes, because I was sick, so I want to sanitize everything. I've also added some laundry sanitizer. Spin can stay the same at 1200. Okay, so I'm going to start it.
On this day as well, we decided to do a little refresh of the bathroom, the main bathroom, just because the walls were starting to discolor a little bit with all the showering and all the hot water and steam. So we're just running over it with some bathroom paint in a semi-matte finish, and it looks so much better afterwards. I'm so glad we actually persevered and decided to do it.
Looking so crispy crunchy, but this is just the reality. I basically had to do an emergency wash of my hair because I was trying to detangle it and it just wouldn't go through. It's not often that that happens. I just know I used too much wax and too much gel this week, so I'm definitely glad that all of that product is out of my head. But at the same time, you know that video? Today drained me. Yeah, that's that kind of wash day that I've had. So I've currently got my turban on. At the same time, I did an everything shower, so I'm feeling hecka smooth. About to order some food and blow dry my hair.
One thing about it, I will get that laundry done. Doesn't matter the time, the day, literally irrelevant to me. I will get that laundry done. I don't play about putting that stuff in the washing machine. However, when it comes to that folding, we won't comment on that. I don't know what this pillow did to me, but I was thumping up this pillow. So sorry to that pillow. It was necessary though, you know, refresh it. I had to drag everything off of here because I don't like sitting on crumbs and lint. It gets to go.
Now that my hair is done, my makeup is
for your way, baby. I know, girl, but and I know from the first time I seen your love, you got me, baby. Even though, girl, I know that I will fall for you, you got to know that everyone knows. Oops, I fell so deep, baby. Oops, I fell so deep, baby. Oops, I want you for me, baby. Oops, I fell so deep, baby. Everyone falls.
Here's the first one.
Shorty, she ain't even got a visa. Out of town one night teaser. Need to tell them other niggas sees off. I'm falling, but everyone falls. And I know from the first time I seen your love, you got me, baby. Even though, girl, I know that I will fall for you, you got to know that everyone falls. Oops, I done fell too deep, baby. Oops, I think you got me, baby. Oops, I want you for me, baby. I'm falling, but everyone falls. Everyone falls in love sometimes. I don't know about you, but it ain't a crime. Need to let me love you, love you, love you, love you for a long time, baby. Need to let me
Back to the PMX.
love you till the morning.